And from a full balance equation, we're going to get the mass of the products based on a mass given to us at the reactants. And the first thing we do is balance the equation. Please look things carefully. Barium nitrate, as was given to you at first, given barium nitrate, and barium is a charge of 2, nitrate charge of 1. You end up with a 2 over here. That is combined or mixed with sulfuric acid, H2SO4, and we're going to assume a simple double replacement, nothing too complicated. Therefore, I end up with BaSO4. Both charges of 2 both cancels, plus HNO3. Okay, we assumed a regular double displacement. Let's balance the equation. And by adding a 2 towards the end of this, HNO3, the equation is balanced. One barium on both sides, 2 NO3s on both sides, 2 H's on both sides, and 1 SO4. Now that the equation is balanced, it was given to us, and I'm giving 1.87 of something, and that'll be barium nitrate. Let's begin with that. Giving 1.87 grams of BaNO3 2. If I am given the mass of something, I need to cancel that with the mass of that same something, which is barium nitrate. The molar mass is 261.33. 261.33 grams of BaNO3 2. Standard, go to 1 mole, mass to moles. 1 mole of BaNO3 2. This was the first step in which we went from mass to moles. Now we go from the molar mass of the equation, and according to this, I have 1 BaNO3, 1 BaNO3, and that's 1 mole. Let me erase this over here. And I have 1 BaSO4, 1 mole of BaSO4. It's the molar mass. Let's continue with this. Now I go to the mass of what I'm searching for. This is standard 1 mole. And I go to the mass now of BaSO4, which is 233.4 grams. Once you multiply 1.87 times 1 times 1 times 2, 33.4, divided by 261.33, so point over here, you should end up with 1.67 grams of BaSO4, and that is the first part of the question, because it says find the mass of both products. So I found this one. I'm going to find this one, the mass obtained when you get that same 1.87 grams of barium nitrate. Okay, let's go over this. The question begins the same way. 1.87 grams of BaNO3 2. Okay, let's continue that with same numbers. 261.33 grams of BaNO3 2, and I go standard 1 mole of BaNO3 2. I go to the molar ratio, and I get 1 mole of BaNO3 2. According to the balance equation, I get 2 moles of HNO3. Let me go back a little and match this. Okay, so this one over here came from here, and this 2 over here came from that one. Okay, we continue with this. Now I need the mass now of HNO3. One more standard, and the mass of HNO3 is 63.02. When you multiply 1.87 times 1 times 2 times 63.02 divided by 161.33, of course there's 2 over here, okay, the answer should be 0.902 grams of HNO3, considering that it was a regular double displacement. Okay, so you began with BaNO3 2, H2SO4, BaSO4, and 2 HNO3s. Okay, you were given a mass, and you were supposed to find the mass of both products.